It all begins in the desert, where raw material for camel leather jackets is sourced.
Only the finest hides qualify for premium camel leather jackets. Each selected animal is carefully recorded for traceable leather jacket production. Controlled movement ensures ethical and organized sourcing. Proper care maintains hide quality before processing begins. Stress reduction directly impacts leather quality. The journey to processing begins with careful preparation. Every step is controlled to preserve the integrity of the hide. Safety ensures consistent material quality. From desert origins, the journey moves toward transformation. Distance separates raw origin from industrial precision. Documentation ensures traceability at every stage. The first step toward industrial processing comes into view. From nature to industry, the transformation begins. Here, raw material begins its journey into a finished leather jacket.
Keep coming, keep it straight.
Arrival at the facility marks the next step in camel leather jacket production. Careful handling continues as materials are prepared for unloading. Controlled pathways ensure safe transition into the facility.
Every movement is managed to protect hide integrity.
Easy now, straight ahead.
Initial containment prepares for structured processing.
Traceability remains critical at every stage. Final health checks ensure only suitable material proceeds.
Identification connects raw material to final product. The process advances toward industrial transformation.
Clean conditions are essential for high-quality leather.
Inside, the transformation process begins.
Precision coordination keeps operations efficient.
Structured grouping ensures controlled processing flow.
Preparation leads directly into the first technical stage.
Now, the raw material enters the cleaning phase of leather jacket production.
This facility transforms raw camel hides into premium leather jackets.
Every worker plays a role in the precision of leather jacket production.
Logistics keep the production line in constant motion. Movement inside the plant is carefully coordinated.
Environmental control defines leather quality.
A complex system designed for continuous transformation. Protection ensures both safety and product integrity.
Precision begins with controlled systems. Every process is driven by engineered flow.
Heavy machinery prepares to begin the first transformation.
Human coordination drives mechanical efficiency.
Automation connects every stage seamlessly. Controlled lighting enhances precision. The transition from intake to processing is complete. Now, the first true transformation begins.
Cleaning begins with controlled mechanical motion.
Water removes impurities while preserving natural fiber strength. Specialized solutions enhance deep cleaning efficiency. Waste is removed to prepare for the next stage. The first cleaning cycle reaches completion. Cleaned material is now ready for handling. Manual handling ensures controlled transfer. Automation carries material toward inspection.
Each hide is evaluated for quality standards.
Only the best material moves forward.
Precision measurements ensure uniformity.
Refinement begins with controlled trimming. Final rinsing prepares material for transformation. Moisture control is key to processing efficiency. With cleaning complete, the core transformation begins.
Now begins the chemical transformation that defines leather.
Each hide enters the tanning cycle with precision.
Controlled environments ensure consistent results.
Tanning agents penetrate deep into the fibers. Time and motion bond strength into the material. The raw hide begins its transformation into leather. Temperature precision defines final texture and durability. Consistency is achieved through controlled timing. Excess chemicals are removed with precision. The hide has now become true leather. Strength and flexibility are now embedded. Balancing the chemistry prepares the leather for finishing.
Purity ensures long-lasting quality.
Moisture control prepares for shaping and finishing. With tanning complete, the leather is ready for transformation into a jacket. Now, Leather begins its transformation into form. Preparation ensures accuracy in every cut. Technology guides precision at every step. Every cut defines the structure of the final jacket. Human skill perfects what machines begin. Organization ensures seamless assembly. Refinement improves flexibility and fit. Guidelines ensure structural precision. Accuracy at this stage defines the final fit. Every hole is placed with precision. Identity is built into every piece. Preparation leads directly into assembly. The pieces now move toward becoming a complete jacket. Precision machinery prepares for assembly. From pieces to product, the jacket begins to take shape. Automation brings precision and speed to assembly. Every stitch binds strength into the structure. Individual components merge into form. Automation ensures uninterrupted flow. Durability is engineered into every seam. Detail defines the identity of the jacket. Functionality meets precision engineering. Every feature is placed with exact accuracy. Clean finishing enhances quality.
Parallel processes maximize efficiency.
High-stress areas receive extra reinforcement. Interior comfort is prepared alongside exterior strength.
Comfort and durability come together.
Technology verifies perfection in real time. Assembly complete. Finishing begins. Now, the final appearance begins to take form. Every surface is prepared for finishing. Conditioning brings life back into the leather.
Polishing enhances texture and appearance.
Controlled drying locks in the finish.
The finish now reveals its final character. Functional details complete the structure.
Steam locks the jacket into its final form.
Only approved pieces move forward.
Every jacket now enters the stage of verification.
Visual precision is the first test of quality. Color uniformity defines premium standards. Every stitch must withstand stress. Flexibility ensures comfort and longevity. Durability is tested against real-world conditions. Resistance to moisture defines performance. Every component must endure repeated use. Accuracy ensures a perfect fit. Human expertise confirms machine precision. Approval marks readiness for market. With quality confirmed, the final stage begins. The final step prepares the product for delivery.
Protection ensures the jacket reaches in perfect condition.
Brand identity completes the product.
Each piece is packed with care and precision.
Sealing ensures safety during shipment. Every package is tracked for delivery.
Bulk organization prepares for transport.
Heavy loads move with precision.
Storage ensures readiness for global distribution.
The final journey is about to begin.
Products are secured for delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce camel leather jackets from start to finish.
From raw origin to finished product, the journey is complete. A system built on precision, efficiency, and craftsmanship.